Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry drumstick. We'll start by preparing the chicken, ensuring it's packed with flavor from the very beginning. Then, we'll create a rich, aromatic curry base using fresh ingredients and a blend of warming spices. Finally, we'll bring it all together, simmering the drumsticks until they are perfectly tender and infused with the delicious curry sauce. Get ready for a truly satisfying meal. First, let's get those drumsticks ready. Combine plain yogurt, a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, and your favorite curry spices like turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. Mix well and coat the chicken thoroughly. For the best results, marinate for at least 30 minutes or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. Next, sear the marinated drumsticks in a hot pan until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides. This crucial step adds depth and seals in all those wonderful juices. Now let's build the heart of our curry, the base. In the same pan, sauté finely chopped onions until they are soft, translucent, and begin to caramelize, bringing out their natural sweetness. Then, add fresh ginger, garlic, and a few green chilies for a gentle kick. Stir in your curry powder and other ground spices, allowing them to bloom in the hot oil for about 1 minute to release their full aroma. Finally, mix in diced tomatoes, cooking them down until they break apart and create a rich, tangy paste. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Return the seared drumsticks to the pan, nestling them into the curry base. Pour in a can of creamy coconut milk and a splash of water or chicken broth to achieve your desired consistency. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is incredibly tender and cooked through. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. Enjoy your delicious homemade curry drumsticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.